For some reason, this won't send the whole video. I don't know why.
Oh, shit. Okay, hang on there. Okay. Take 3. Okay, take 4. Okay. Hey folks, welcome to Deutschlanders, a reality show about me and my girlfriend Anna are living in Germany, kind of hiding out. We're not exactly living by the laws. It's very cold out tonight. Here I am wearing a blanket which my girlfriend Anna made from deer skins and from shaving local sheep. We're doing this all illegally, of course. But she made this herself. She's part Native American. She can do all sorts of incredible things. As you can see, I've got light here tonight. That's because we hooked up some lights to a bicycle wheel. I've set that up so that as you're pedaling, it's generating electricity for the lights. And Anna's outside pedaling the bike right now so I can have colored lights for doing this video. And this is actually the inside of our structure. We wanted it, even though we're living outside in a very nasty looking shelter from the outside, we fixed the inside up real nice to give us a feeling of actually living in a real home. So, that's it for this episode of Deutschlanders. Stay tuned for more. Okay, Anna, my video's about done. You can stop pedaling the bike now. All right, goodbye.